Josiah the Great.
Precisely. Rock up yourself first, big up on yourself. When you find the Respect TV track for me. And while me talk about respect. And listen, big up yourself, enough respect. The Spanish Town troops, big up on yourself. Portland family, big up on yourself. May I make a little announcement, because you see the platform here there for all artists. You see the artists that will build for the show, holding power there. And someone will just get one look at opportunity and then an album launch king. And I call up some people when I like that. So just do the tune and cut. The artist there for work. Respect.
Straight, target straight.
Well, let me find the respect. Me have to do something for the woman them. Because we say no to domestic abuse. Look for the Respect TV chat. Me I do a spoken word poem. Like a toddler crying for mom's breast milk. I saw tears race down her bony face. She was pensive and motionless, like she was lost in space. She then broke the silence, screaming out, "I'm such a big disgrace." I quickly interjected, "Honey, what's wrong?" And she yelled, "Get the hell out of my space. All you men are just the same, cheat lies, you all take love for a game. I hate men forever, I should have killed Trevor, yeah, put a bullet in his brain." Baby, y'all take this too far now. Are you drunk or insane? Craig, you're not gonna understand me, you can't feel my pain. I was raped when I was 9, which really shattered my mind. A decade after, I tried to move on to get myself back in line. I thought Tom was the best thing until he slept with my sister, you find it? So he had sex with his best friend, and what's up in the flipping picture? All my life I've been hurt, later start attending church, searching for comfort, but life grew worse. Few months after, she was impregnated by the comforting pastor, threatened to do an abortion or else her life would be a disaster. I tried to convince her, telling her she's still precious and worth more than diamonds and gold. She says she still hates men, her heart is now cold. I offered a hug, she squeezed me tightly, saying thank you Mr. Kirkland for attempting to make me feel lively. But how will I live with the fact of knowing that I'm infected with HIV? Run it. I want any respect. What is up? Usain Bolt got bronze in London and some saying cello. Pull it up and turn it up. Respect. Usain Bolt got bronze in London and some saying cello. It ain't comes to lost the race, but you can negative remarks yellow. What do we expect? Sure respect, because history was created. America bowed down to a legend, honor, greatly appreciated. Not just locally, but globally. Jamaicans did it. Keep a negative remarks to yourself and don't get close up with it. Be proud of who you are. I am the great one. To all our athletes and icons, I say congratulations. The problem I encountered every day with my own race. But mine and envy smiling on my own face. Sneakily, creepily, want to take my own space. Mankind so unkind, ignorance brown face. Lovers gone below 0 degree, frozen cold state. Pensive in my thoughts, mind traveling zone space. My girlfriend won't keep up sex with me, vex with me, says she want time alone space. We try to get her attention focus on her phone face. Nowadays we can't even relate, but display more hate. Anger escalates, too much alarm and crime rates. Your moral slowly deteriorates, and that's concerning. What kind of society gonna exist in about 2030? Social media is like cancer, feeding on your souls, implemented to prevent you from achieving on your goals. Illusion and confusion make you lose what you own. Don't lose yourself, be yourself. Remember you're not alone. So what one, can I get some love now? Oh sorry, guess you love your phone. Most of us don't understand how essential life is. We sit down and waste time and don't know what time really is. If only one understood how powerful your mind is, perhaps you'd comprehend how nonsensical life is. Marcus Garvey say unite, why we separate? Why we still a fight? Why so many hate? Can religion and politician make my people elevate? Rock a messa, like Marley, I'm saying one love. Then I get tired to see my face. Run the answer for me real quick, let me drop one more and cut. They got me out there and I actually join the scripture, big up myself. From over there, let me sing with the same peculiar look. Turn it up some more. Yeah. And then, there you go. you not tell me to show dice. Tired of me fed up on the suffer of poor life. No food, see and clothes, enough for 4 nights. Mama she a ball, and now she get 4 rides. Over the day, some a trouble, some a tendency, no cries. Hear me scrubby rich, pushing deads and roads right to the beer. More people from this miserable low life for the kid. And eat, and you them to grow right. Dig up yourself, Jamaica life, keep the place alive. Alpha, dig up yourself.